Hello, good morning, friends. I know most of my gardener fellow people are kind of apprehensive of what kind of plants we can grow for the season. The season is summer, and that's what I'm talking about. I have quite a few plants in my garden, but today I just want to focus on the zinnia variety. That's the normal wild, nativity kind of a zinnia seeds. So I planted these seeds in the month of March, the last week of March, in fact. But now, okay, they are grown as proper seedlings, better into young plants. That's the right. And due to this Corona COVID season, I think we are using this leisure time mostly, to grow such plants, and it is such a joy to, share a little tips on the Zinnia variety. Actually, what I was trying to tell you was that I was kind of disappointed during the season because a whitefly, I don't know what this is called. If you can see, this is a larvae growing. If you can see properly, it's a larvae kind of a thing, and it is eating most of the leaves of these. It eats the stem, and ultimately the plant dies down. I think you can see the larva over here. If I'm not clear enough, there you go. That's the larva, and at the back of the leaf, normally it lays a lot of eggs. See, this kind of leaf is kind of infested. So I had gone through most of the gardener expert advice, and most of them had said that I have to spray insecticide or pesticide in the seedling stage itself. But now that I have crossed this kind of stage, all I have to do is the best way is weeding out, actually not weeding out the plant but weeding out the infested leaf, and after that spraying an emulsion of neem spray that you have. You can just infest it. So I don't know, I think this is the right now I think this is the best method that I can think of in weeding out the plant. But if you find a better solution, please do comment in the comment box, which will help me, because it is kind of see, all these are bhendi plants, and I have a few plants of Zinnia. Yeah, you can also check, whether the leaf is totally infested or not. I just found an egg, so all I can do is just take it, try and, but the problem with this is if it falls to the ground again, it's going to grow. So yeah, there you see a caterpillar, so you can, with the help of a tongs or anything like that, you can just take it off, and it's going to fall somewhere. So ultimately you can pick out the larvae that has fallen down and locate it. So you can identify the leaf. Either it will be wilted, I have taken out most of the leaves, or but now you can see this kind of a leaf. So when you check this part, you know that the caterpillar, it is residing somewhere here inside, and which is why the leaf will wilt off like this, and ultimately it is going to die. So what I'm trying to do is, take care, not that the leaf does not fall. Actually, I have to cut it right. But a gardener friend from Netflix is a very good app. I'm not in the process of promoting it, but it did help me. Especially you don't get direct answers in the Netflix app. Maybe if you post your questions in the um, community section, I think there are a lot of people who are willing to help you all. So one such friend did help me that way, and he suggested this. So please go on and. At times we find small leaves like this. I pluck this off, and see, you find a powdery fungus like this. So the best method is to hand pick these, and after doing this you can sow. uh, this leaf is infected, so you can just spray a mixture of soap solution and neem oil. Just soap solution also will do. See, uh, did you see, you can see the larvae that has totally finished up on the crop. That is how you can save these. And ultimately I'm collecting all the infected leaves here, and I'm going to burn it off or dispose them in a far place. I think the best way is to burn it off so that these things don't invest other crops.